and mighty lion who ruled over the animals with an iron paw. He was known far and wide as the king of the jungle and commanded respect from all creatures, big and small. However, despite his power, the lion was often lonely, as the other animals feared him and kept their distance. One day, a clever and quick-witted rabbit named Remy caught the lion's attention. The lion admired the rabbit's nimbleness and intelligence, and he was intrigued by the tiny creature's fearlessness in the face of danger. As the days passed, the lion and the rabbit struck up an unlikely friendship. Remy would entertain the lion with his stories and jokes, and the lion would share his wisdom and strength with the rabbit. They spent many hours together, each learning from the other and growing closer with each passing day. One scorching afternoon, a severe drought plagued the savannah, leaving the animals desperate for water. The lion, with his majestic mane drooping from thirst, called a meeting of all the animals to discuss a solution. Many ideas were proposed, but none seemed feasible until Remy spoke up, suggesting they dig a well to find underground water. The animals were hesitant at first, unsure of how to proceed. But the lion, impressed by Remy's clever idea, decided to take charge and lead the effort. With the lion's strength and the rabbit's quick thinking, they worked together tirelessly, digging deep into the earth until they struck water. As the well filled up with cool, refreshing water, the animals rejoiced, grateful for the rabbit's wisdom and the lion's determination. But as the lion drank from the well, the new lion approached, claiming to be the true king of the jungle. Enraged by this impostor, the original lion roared with fury, ready to defend his rightful place. But Remy, seeing an opportunity, whispered a plan to his friend. The lion nodded, understanding Remy's cunning strategy. The impostor lion, feeling confident in his power, challenged the original lion to a fight to prove who was the true king. As they faced each other, ready to battle, Remy sprang into action, hopping into the well and emerging covered in the water that had filled it. With a mischievous glint in his eye, Remy approached the impostor lion and proclaimed, "I have seen the true king of the jungle, and he is the one standing before us now." The impostor lion, shocked and confused, looked into the well and saw his own reflection. Realizing he had been deceived, in a fit of shame and embarrassment, the impostor lion fled, never to be seen again. The original lion, humbled by Remy's clever plan and grateful for his friendship, bowed before the rabbit, acknowledging his wisdom and quick thinking. From that day on, the lion and the rabbit ruled the savannah together, as equal partners and true friends. The animals looked up to them with respect and admiration, knowing that their unique bond had saved them all and taught them the value of working together in times of need. And so, the lion and the rabbit lived in harmony, their friendship enduring for years to come.